Well, hello, my pretties. I'm going to share with you one singular area of focus within your workouts that if you develop this, it will make every aspect of your life, not just your workouts, but just day-to-day living, much easier. So if you're excited to learn about that, please subscribe, click the like button, comment below with something new that you've learned from this video or some more ideas that you got of your own. I'd love to read about it. And with that, let's get into the video. So the one singular focus, it's something to do with your breaks. You know, between sets, between rounds or whatever, you take these little breaks to recover. And we're typically focused on, well, how long is this break? Is it 30 seconds? Is it a minute? Is it a couple of breaths or whatever? Instead of focusing on the time duration of your break, focus on recovering as fast as possible. And as you show up every day for your workouts, especially the really hard workouts, then you're going to get more fit and you're going to recover more quickly, especially if you add that new singular focus of how fast can I recover from my sets or my rounds. These little breaks that I'm taking, how fast can I recover from them so that I can come right back into it with full-on strength, with as much power as I did when I first started way back at the beginning of this particular workout. So as that improves over time from showing up every day with consistent, relevant effort, then that's going to transfer into everyday life, not just your workouts, but everyday life, and everything is going to become easier. Your body's ability to efficiently pump blood through and deliver oxygen and other nutrients to all of your body's working cells when you're doing, whatever. The blood that goes to your brain is going to be, when your blood is better and healthier, blood goes throughout your entire body. So your mind, your brain, as well as your physical body, everything is going to improve. And this is also, it's not only going to make things easier, but it's also going to make you better at whatever you're doing, a better producer, a better worker, a better parent, a better thinker, a better whatever it is that you do. It's just going to make you better. Things are going to be easier and you're going to be better. So try that. This is something that I've almost never heard as any part of a focus, let alone a singular focus, is the breaks that you take in your workouts between sets and between rounds and whatever else you're doing. Instead of focusing on, oh, this break is this many seconds, focus on how fast can I recover, and then monitor over time how much better your recovery gets, how much more efficient, how much faster your recoveries become. And you're going to notice a direct correlation with, wow, everything in life is easier and I am a better fill in the blank now because of it. It's a beautiful focus to adapt to and to start putting your mind there in that, inside of that framework, okay? And it'll put you, it'll put you a step ahead or 2 steps or 3 steps ahead of just about everybody else, because there's probably about 1% of the population, if that even considers this switch of focus from, well, how long is my breaks between sets, to how fast can I recover and how can I measure the speed of my recovery as a measurement of I'm getting better as time goes on. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment with something new that you learned, some ideas that you have or questions that you have. I always look at the feedback. I love the feedback. I love you all. Mwah! And remember, with your workouts, a good plant-based whole food diet, something that works for you, because whatever you put into your mouth, all of that is going to fuel what you output in your workouts as well as your day-to-day living. It's all symbiotic and it's all holistic. Everything relates to everything, and you'll sleep better and everything is just better. Bye for now, everybody. Mwah, mwah.